Ok, voy a explicar la diferencia entre qué y cuál. And these are the two that tend to cause the most problems. And as we talked about in 101, if you remember, that qué we use to ask for a definition of something or give an explanation. For example, like, ¿qué es el flan? So what is flan? What is that? ¿Qué estudias? What do you study? We're looking for an explanation. ¿Qué es esto? What is this? I want to know what this thing is. If I'm holding up tape, ¿qué es esto? Oh, es la cinta. ¿Qué día es el examen? So which day is the exam? So both qué and cuál can mean what or which. Okay? And again, qué is used for a definition or an explanation. Cuál should not be used before a noun. Okay? Qué is going to be used before a noun. Okay? When qué is used before a noun, it can take on the same meaning as cuál, so it can mean which. Like, ¿qué regalo te gusta? Which gift do you like? Okay? Or, what gift do you like? Okay? ¿Qué dulces quieren ustedes? What sweets do you want? Okay? Or which sweets do you want? But regalo and dulces, these are both nouns, so we have to have qué there instead of the cuál. Cuál, or cuáles, its plural form, is used when there's more than one possibility to choose from, and this is not always obvious. Sometimes it's inferred. Okay? The first two examples give us something that's obvious, like, ¿cuál de los dos prefieres, el vino o el champán? So which of these two do you prefer, wine or champagne? It gives us the options. The second one is a plural form. ¿Cuáles son tus medias, las negras o las blancas? So which ones are your socks, the black ones or the white ones? Sometimes it's not always as obvious, like, ¿cuál es tu número de teléfono? So what is your phone number? So here, cuál takes on the idea of what in English. Okay? Literally in Spanish, it's saying, out of all the possible number combinations, which one is yours? Okay? ¿Cuáles son tus clases favoritas? Okay, so what are your favorite classes? There should be a question mark, not a period. So what are your favorite classes? In Spanish, it's giving the idea, out of the classes you are taking, which are your favorite classes? So it's kind of an inferred possibility to choose from. Okay. So qué and cuál. Cuál should have an accent mark. I'm changing these on the PowerPoint before I put it out. Okay, so cuál has an accent mark, and down at the bottom, instead of a period, it should be a question mark, and I'll change those. Now, qué and cuál are just two out of many different interrogatives looking for information. So just to review, these are some that you learned in 101, like a qué hora, a dónde, cómo, cuándo, cuánto o cuánta, cuántos o cuántas, de dónde, por qué, and quién o quiénes. So these are other interrogatives aside from qué and cuál, or cuáles. So I hope that makes a little bit more sense with those differences. Gracias.